This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Michelle Miller. This is a huge opportunity for 40 pristine acres boasting rolling pastures, gorgeous long-range mountain views, gentle laying forests, 2 spring-fed streams, and paved frontage on Ivylog Road, only 4.5 miles from Murphy Hwy. Established and fenced pastures are great for horses or cattle. Incredibly gentle terrain and super easy access, no steep or narrow roads to access this beautiful property. Great location within minutes of Nottely Dam hiking, TVA land, Nottely Marina. Don't miss your chance for endless possibilities on this amazing rare tract of land. Located near Owen Glen and Fox Lake. Do not walk anywhere near the camper area, this is private property. Do not disturb residents or their animals. For more information,